bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1144 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.